the chapter's wheel.
Pooja has green eyes while her parents and brother have black eyes. Pooja's husband Ravi has black eyes while his mother has green eyes and father has black eyes. So confusing. Let's say the first question. On the basis of the above given information, is the green eye color a dominant or recessive trait? Justify your answer. Let's visualize the given statement. Here is Pooja with green eye color. Pooja's parents and brother have black eye color. Here is Pooja's husband Ravi with black eye color. Ravi's mother has green eye color and Ravi's father has black eye color. Pooja's parents have black eye color, but still she got green eyes. In case of Ravi, his father has black eyes and mother has green eyes, but still he got black eyes, which means green eye color is the recessive trait. Because recessive trait will be expressed only in homozygous condition. That is, both alleles are recessive. Let's see the next question. What is the possible genetic makeup of Pooja's brother's eye color? Let's first see Pooja's parents' genotype for eye color. Pooja's parents have heterozygous genotype for eye color because they have black eyes, but still they have alleles of green color. Dominant black color will be expressed if at least one allele in the genotype is dominant. So, the genetic makeup of Pooja's brother can be either capital B or capital B small b, that is heterozygous, depending on the allele received from each parent. That's why brother got black eye color. Let's see the third question. What is the probability that the offspring of Pooja and Ravi will have green eyes? Show the inheritance of eye color in the offspring with the help of a suitable cross. Now let's see the offspring of Ravi and Pooja. Pooja has the genotype small b because Pooja has green eye color, the recessive eye color. Ravi has genotype capital B, small b. The small b he got from his mother and capital B from his father. The gametes are capital B and small b from father and mother. We got two heterozygous conditions and two homozygous recessive conditions. Means the probability that the offspring of Pooja and Ravi will have green eyes is 50%. Now let's see the fourth question. 50% of the offspring of Pooja's brother are green-eyed. With the help of a cross, show how this is possible. Now let's see the brother's wife and their offsprings. Brother has genotype capital B, small b. And the question says that 50% of the offspring of Pooja's brother are green-eyed. Means the wife also should have green eye color. His wife has genotype small b. Then only we will get 50% homozygous recessive offsprings. 50% offsprings can have green eyes.